And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at the same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. We continue with open reverse turn. And we dance hover Corte into corner. Then we move with outside change to promenade position, and from here running cross chasse, which is originally quick step figure. We continue with running spin turn, which is natural turn, pivot and open natural turn. And we dance running finish. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. We take close hold, ready to move diagonally to center with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. We continue down line of dance with quick open reverse turn, which we finish moving diagonally into corner. In same direction we move hover Corte. Then we move diagonally to center with outside change to promenade position. Then down line of dance we start running cross chasse, which we finish diagonally to wall. Then running spin turn, starting diagonally to wall, then moving down line of dance. And in same direction we start running finish, which we end diagonally to center. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.